Alright folks, I'm pretty sure y'all remember Steve's Lexus. This little beauty right here. With all the badass shit in the trunk. It's about time we gave this thing a listen. And we also got Ashton here. Fiddling with his toys. We got two ARC 2000s. Two BD15s in the back of a Kia Soul. A Kia Soul with... that's Kia Soul. A Kia Soul with a little bit of squat to it. Bike rack. Sitting low on them boys. Alright, anyway. Back to the Lexus. Fuck Ashton's Kia. I didn't mean that, Ashton. I'm sorry. No, it's not like that, bro. Let's see what this is. Oh, okay. Audison's all the way up. Alright, let's see what we got. There's got to be something better. It's gonna be nothing but fucking French cafe music. Fuck.
How are we gonna start this again?
We're getting a little better.
4 bars of you. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Boom, boom, boom.
I can dig it.
Ooh, yeah, yeah. Boom, boom, boom. They say it's alright. Boom, boom, boom. They say it's alright. Boom, boom, boom. Say it's alright. Have a good time. Cause it's alright. Whoa, it's alright. Now we gonna move it slow. Boom, boom, boom. Up in the lights low.
Fucking, it's like their own stage.
It feels like I'm home, cause it's alright, whoa, it's alright. And now listen to the beat.
That sounds fucking nice. I will say that.
Hum a little song, I'll make life your goal. And sure there's something's gotta come to you, and you gotta say it's alright.
That sounds fucking amazing, doesn't it?
You say it's alright.
Alright. Fucking ridiculous.
Midnight at the Oasis. Send your camel to bed.
Sounds fucking astonishing. That's the only thing that stops me from wanting to go full SQ in the Audi though. I want to be able to fuck, like if I want to crank it, I want to crank it.
You can't really crank it.
I don't think so. I'm scared to fucking turn it too far up and blow something up. A lot of these super high-end tweeters are sensitive as fuck. They don't take much to pop them. Alright people, before I'm done here, let me show you this. It's a beer opener and the remote. It's badass. Alright, before we forget. Oh shit, I didn't know there was lights back there.
Oh, hey, there's lights back there.
Show you guys what the trunk's like. Yeah. This should finish the video up quite nicely. Oh, there it goes.
We're trying to figure out something to motorize them crazies.
Motorizing is where it's at. All right, folks, that ought to do it. SQ Lexus, go fuck yourselves.